Hello, Randomly Michigan Tropical Gardener here, and it's time to repot this banana. It's leaning over to get to the light, plus it's too big for the pot. And there's the leaves. So I have to drag that down into the basement, and I've got a larger pot down there, and we'll see how that goes. Hang on. Here is the container I'm going to use. A little more light to the subject. It's a much larger container. And so that's what I'll be using. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, here is the banana plant, which was actually pretty light. So once I get it repotted into the much larger pot, well, I'm only going up, I don't know, maybe two. Seems like two pot sizes. That one fits into the other one. Oh, you don't want to do this with back problems, back and neck. So anyway, I'm going to fill in the larger pot with some dirt, and then I will put the other one in there. So hang on tight. Okay, hopefully the camera is going to pick this up. Okay, now comes the difficult part. Need to make enough room for the banana plant to tip over without breaking. And I have to get the dirt out, obviously. Now, with other pots, other containers, if they have some flex to them, you can squeeze the sides and help to loosen the plant, and it would all come out in a one clump. That's especially true if the soil is kind of moist, which is not the case here. Okay. I had some painter's sticks, mixing sticks to try to keep things, you know, give it to some support, but okay. And there is the root ball, more or less. Okay. And Unfortunately, I needed to make a hole for it. Which is what I'm doing right now. And that's not going to work. All right, what we will do is move the empty pot. And I'll use this container I was using to scoop the dirt in, and we'll just reverse the process and scoop the dirt out. And then sweep the floor afterwards. Oh boy. And there we have it. Our banana plant in its new home. And hopefully it'll continue to grow and maybe even produce some bananas. This is a red banana, Cuban red banana. And as I said, when I got it, it was about that big, and it's done pretty well. So now I got to get it back upstairs. Oh boy! I keep it in the warmest room in the house, and that seems to do very well. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.